Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to introduce comma in numbers in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first open your documents. Firstly, going to the home menu option and click for the three dot option and click for editing option and click for replace option and click for the navigation bar search in the number is 05 and second bar replace with comma and select the click for replace all, then again another document, copy number and paste, Ctrl V, then click for replace all, then again and click for replace all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.